Algebra 1, Lesson 57, Addition of Algebraic Expressions with Negative Exponents. Now this is another way of saying addition of rational algebraic expressions because we're going to end up using fractions. So they're going to give you something that looks like this. They have ax to the power of negative 1 plus y to the power of negative 1. They want you to add these, and then they want you to write the answer with all exponents positive. So when we have a negative exponent, oh, my paper is really crooked. Okay, when we have a negative exponent, in order to make that positive, we would just move it in the fraction. So we have to rewrite these problems before we even start solving them. So a to x negative 1 will be rewritten as a over x. And then y negative 1 gets rewritten as 1 over y. Now we have a rational expression, and we have to follow our rules of adding fractions. So here the common denominator is going to be xy. This one will multiply by y over y. This one will multiply by x over x. This new numerator becomes ay. This numerator becomes x. And then I just write that over our denominator. And that's the answer. So again, fraction rules are becoming very, very important. They just started out differently. So when you have negative exponents, you have a polynomial, and they instruct you to add. Rewrite these as fractions. That's what they want you to do. I'll go ahead and pull out a harder example for you guys so we can get some good practice. Let's do this one. We've got a to the power of negative 3 x y to the power of negative 1 minus bx to the power of negative 2. So again, step 1, rewrite as a fraction. This is going to become x over a cubed y so that everything's positive. This one will become b over x squared. From here I got to figure out what my common denominator is going to be. And that's just going to be a cubed x squared y, since I don't have any polynomials in the denominator. A cubed x squared y. This one will get multiplied by x squared over x squared. This one's going to get multiplied by a cubed y over a cubed y. This one will become x cubed. I'll go ahead and put the minus sign, and then this becomes a cubed by, and that's my answer. That's it for this lesson. Nice short one. If you have any questions on it, let me know on Moodle, and I will see you in class.